Hello and welcome YouTube. We have today another video, so we're gonna do unboxing, something very much great for GoPro Hero. So I have GoPro Hero 8 Black. So I was looking on the GoPro website and see some accessories, and I found such a nice one. It's called GoPro Media Mod. So what is the Media Mod? So I have this one here. Okay, so it's called Media Mod. That's for GoPro 8. So let's do unboxing and see what is inside this one. All right. So the Media Mod, very much as you see here, has a built-in microphone, and you can mount two things here, like a display mod and a light mod. So as you see on my previous video, I had Saptig flashlight. So it's cheaper than the flashlight mod from the GoPro. This is a third-party product basically. It's about $25 on Amazon. But now, so let's do unboxing. It is sealed, as always I mentioned about the products. It has to be sealed to make sure it's a brand new product. All right, let's see. All right, so Media Mod for GoPro Hero 8 Black. All right, here is the box we have. Okay, so this is it. This is the Media Mod. Has a external microphone, a built-in external microphone, and from this side, here we go. That is the one. You can, here we go. So you can charge it. So it has a USB Type-C charger, and it has a micro HDMI port, so you can connect or plug in the micro HDMI cable and connect it to a projector, TV, or whatever you have. And also it has an external microphone. That is really such a good thing. I was looking for an extension or an external basically microphone to use my external microphone on it, but I found this Media Mod for Hero 8 Black. Okay, and also comes with the bracket or the mount that can be attached. Here we go. So very much you can use this one and attach it to the stick. And what else here? All right, that's it. This is it. So yeah, so I'm gonna have another video after using this one with my reviews and my first impression of this product. And then yeah, that's very much what I have for today. And please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up please. And yeah, put your comments, your question, and thank you for your time. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks.